Okay, guys, tell y'all something. I done learned something. Now, I fixed a bass guitar for a girl that I know is a friend of mine, and then I fixed another guitar for her, a acoustic bass. I got them both fixed. It was just little battery issues, no problem. I got them all soldered up. And she come to pick them up today. And when she come back, she brought me this saying, "Can you do anything with this?" Wait a minute. Look at this. Y'all see that? Do you see that? Big old crack in the back. And she said, "Can you do anything with this?" And I said, "Well," I said, "I'd like to have those tuners off of it. And I think I'd like to have that little preamp and that little piece of tuner or whatever that is up there and just pull it out. And I think you ought to put this thing in here and make a lamp out of it or something. Because other than that, it ain't worth nothing else." Dude. Now, her ex done it. Yeah, ex. Damn straight be ex, right? You got that right. Then, this one was already here. She dropped this one off a while back. And I was busy and didn't have time to even think about tackling this project. But this is one I need some input on, and you tell me, how would you fix it or what would you do with this guitar, okay? So y'all ready for this? You ready for this? Look closely now, you ready? This is a Washburn 5-string bass. Check it out. Look at that. See? 5-string bass. Look at that. Not too bad. I mean, just, got a little issue though. If you move your hand off the air, you see it's kind of got a little something right here going on. Kind of looks real funky. Oh, let me turn it back over for you to see the other side. Y'all ready? Yeah. Look at, whoa, darn it. Look at that. Yeah, another one of them. Why in the hell would I put a neck brace under that? I don't know. So anyway, okay, y'all see what it looks like, okay? So I'm going to bring it over closer and let y'all see it up on the camera where you can get a good little look at it, okay? So here's the body. And all the controls and the wires and the pickups and everything are there till you get to there. And then it's got that great big old chunk that's been torn completely out of the neck. And then you go down and the rest of the fretboard's good. The nuts off of it, I got it put up. No, nuts missing. I don't have it. And then the tuners are still feeling pretty good on it. And this is a laminated neck through. Yeah. So, my question to you guys is this. Do I cut this thing out here and put a neck in it, in a neck pocket? Or do I take these nice parts and tuners and build a whole 5-string bass from scratch? So, I'd like y'all's input on that. Tell me what you'd do with it. I'm pretty sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a 5-string bass. So, yeah, that's my plan. So, my headphone just went off in my ear to let me know my battery's running out. And I've been filming all night. So, it's now about 6 a.m. And I need to get my butt in a happy house and go to bed. Because to all the other people in England or wherever it is, it's long time. So y'all know, 2 o'clock. So y'all be good. And catch the live stream later on. Y'all be good. Next time.